Hi, this is Evgeny Pavlovsky. Welcome to my professional development website, which was created at Turo College and can be found at schools.webhub.org/Turo-Pavlovsky. This page speaks about learning disabilities. Learning disabilities defined as neurological disorders that can make it difficult to acquire certain academic and social skills. In the idea, LD is defined as disorder in one or more of the basic psychological processes involved in understanding or in using spoken or written language, which may manifest itself in an imperfect ability to listen, think, speak, read, write, spell, or do mathematical calculations. Now, learning disabilities are not caused by economical disadvantage, environmental factors, or cultural differences. Unfortunately, more than 2.6 billion students are diagnosed with learning disability and receive special education services in our schools. That represents 45% of the students with disabilities nationwide. Students with learning disabilities have certain characteristics which can be divided into categories, academical and behavioral ones. As part of academical characteristics, students with LD have difficulty in reasoning, difficulty in one or more academic areas, difficulty beginning or completing tasks, uneven and unpredictable test performance, oral sequential memory deficit, visual sequential memory deficit, auditory processing disability, visual motor coordination problems. As part of the behavioral characteristic, they have poor or lack of organizational skills, awkward use of pencil and scissors, inappropriate behavior for a variety of situations, excessive variation in mood, distractibility, hyperactivity, perceptual coordination problems, impulsiveness, low tolerance for frustration and problems, failure to see consequences of act, low self-esteem, and problems with social relationships. The trouble with learning disability is that it's very hard to tell if students are just falling behind or have some other kind of disabilities, as you can see from the characteristics just mentioned. So in order to label students as having learning disabilities, there is a certain rigorous processes which a school-based support team and the student's teacher have to go through. One of the part of that process is RTI, or response to intervention, which can be more information about that process can be found on another page of this website. Basically, students should go through multiple assessments and through multiple interventions, where a teacher would first try different techniques and different approaches to the students and see if the students respond to those techniques. If the students fails to respond to those techniques, then and only then, teacher can recommend student to be evaluated for learning disability. On my website, you can find a YouTube video which explains what are learning disabilities,
Hi, have you ever heard of a learning disability?
you can also find videos which provide teachers with certain strategies of how to teach students with learning disabilities, and with the video where one of the students details one day of his life as being a student with learning disability. For more information, please go to the website www.ncld.org. Thank you.